Hello, my name is Tatiana Rojas, Director of Sales, Marketing and MA here at BobCAD CAM. When we were trying to market BobCAD CAM V36, it was very challenging because out of all the features that we had, it was very difficult to just pick 4 or 5 to market. The reason for this is because the whole user experience and interaction with the product has been redone. Elements like multiple selection, being able to select 5 features and only generate G-code out of those 5 features. Take those 5 features and drag them to the end of the program. You have to select edges out of a solid. No, you don't have to extract the edges. You want to take a couple of tools from your tool library to your tool crib, select the tools, drag them and drop them. We've listened to you. We make the system easier but kept the power, actually increased the power with the new advanced interface. We encourage you to utilize our product. Take your hours of training. Go to our training webinars. We are here to help you and give you the best CAD-CAM experience you can have. Thank you very much for trusting us. Thank you very much for working with us. And well, see you in the next webinar.